Test, test, test. Let me know how we sounding. 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 Yeah, I was having some technical difficulties. My Wi-Fi is kind of tripping right now. Let me know if y'all can hear me good, though. My Wi-Fi is kind of tripping right now. Sounding good. What's going on, Jordan? What's going on, Will? What's going on, everybody in the live? What's going on, everybody in the live? What's going on, Chris? We sounded good. Perfect, 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 perfect. So we got a few sets we're looking at, y'all. We got a few sets we're looking at right now. So we got a few setups we're looking at right here. We're looking at possible GU buys right here. And we're looking at possible gold and NQ sales. So NAS100 already did a nice drop from the Sunday chart analysis. And we're waiting to see what gold's going to do right here, as well as GU right here. Make sure to like the live, hop up in here, subscribe if you have not already. We just hit 6,000. Where we at right now? We just hit 6,600 subscribers to get to 6,700. Let's get to 6,700. So let's see if we can beast here or hold this level of support. Did a nice retest right here. Let's see if we can push back above. What's going on, Lana? How you feeling? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? All right, let's see what this next 5 minute looks like. Let's see what this next 5 minute looks like. What's going on, Reds? How you feeling, my boy? How you feeling? Don't just join the stream. We have not entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. We have not entered anything yet. And I got to update how we did last month. That's how we did last quarter. But as y'all saw, we wrapped up last month. 26 wins, 6 losses, which is not bad at all. A little bit of a slower month. It was still a smooth month, but like the last couple weeks, things did slow down a little bit. So it just requires a little bit of patience. Just requires a little bit of patience. Just like this week's going to require a little bit of patience, at least towards the beginning of the week. Make sure to watch the Sunday chart analysis if you have not already. Like I always talk about, the Sunday chart analysis goes over not just what we see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but what we see price doing throughout the entire week. And again, y'all, I do not care how similar the posts look, how similar the profile looks. Only have one TikTok and one Instagram. Okay, some of y'all are not talking to me, but y'all been talking to fake accounts for 2-3 weeks straight. I'll never send you a phone number, and I'm never gonna hit you out of nowhere, ask how your trading's going. I got nothing that's $20 a month. I got nothing I'm not gonna tell you to do no crypto flip, invest in my business. I'm not gonna lie to y'all and say, hey, give me $500, I'm gonna flip it to 5K. None of that shit's me. As y'all know, I rarely like to tell y'all motherfuckers to even trade, let alone gonna tell y'all I can do some ridiculous shit like that. So again, y'all make sure that you're following and talking to the real accounts. Alright. Let's see how this next 15 closes. We're back above this level. Let's see if we can hold this right here. We're looking at GU6B. If we can hold 34.60 as support, we look for buys right here. So we got a nice retest taking place. Let's see how this next 5 minute looks like. If y'all got any questions, drop in the chat. We're looking at your charts, drop in the chat. But you already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting. Just chilling, patiently waiting. Yeah, we're reacting back up. I like right here. I like this right here. I'm over here talking on mute. My bad, y'all. So I was talking on mute. So I just jumped into the setup. But some of y'all joined Playmaker University in the signal room over the weekend, and y'all have to fix your Telegram settings because I was not able to add y'all to the Telegram channels. So I did message some of y'all. Some of y'all responded. Some of y'all did not. So again, some of y'all are not in the Telegram channel. So you gotta check your Telegram messages. Same thing with the book. Some of y'all be purchasing the book, and when y'all purchase the book, the PDF is going to pop up, right? So if you join Playmaker University, the Signal Room 101 session, where you get your copy of the playbook, do not just purchase and then exit out. The links pop up, the PDF pops up. Now, obviously, shit happens. I'll send you and add you, but it pops up when y'all purchase. So some of y'all are purchasing and then exiting out immediately. Okay, so make sure to look at the full screen and read the shit before you exit out of the tab. But let's see how GU plays out right here. Let's see if we get a TP1 right here. Alright, new 15 just popped up. We just hit TP1. I'm gonna let the folks know really quick. Alright, let's see if we can keep on pushing. GU's pushing right now. Let's see if we can hit TP2. Let's see if we can hit TP2. Gold and NAS still kind of just chilling. So that's why we're just in this setup right here. Currently at past the 1-to-1 right now. If there's a full move we're looking for, it's gonna be like a 1-to-4, almost 1-to-5 RR setup. Just hit TP2 right here. Starting off the week right. Still got a little bit of work to do. Still want to see if he's gonna push some more for us. But hey, green's green. Green's green. Can't complain. Anything is going to keep on pushing. I got a little bit of a busier day today. We should be going live on TikTok, but if we do go live, it's probably going to be around like 3 o'clock-ish EST. But of course, if I do go live, if you're in the free room, link in the bio, I mean, link in the description, you will be notified just like always. But yeah, this thing's pushing right now. About to see what this next 15 looks like. Again, if you're not in the signal, don't know what an intra SLTP is, or if you're happy with your profits, nobody should close this trade right. But we're about to see what this next 15 looks like. Got a new 15 about to pop up in a minute and a half. If y'all got any questions, drop in the chat. We're looking at your charts, drop in the chat. But NAS and Gold are still kind of just chilling right now. Nope. Nope, it took off. It took off. So for the Sunday chart analysis, it's pushing out, but like, you only want to enter at the levels. NAS100 is right here, so you only want to enter on the zones. Only want to enter on the zones. Yeah, we just gotta wait for them. We just gotta wait for them. So if you didn't watch the Sunday chart analysis, make sure to check that out. But yeah, we had big ass retracement. Because think about it, right? Nas done for like 2 weeks straight. So we just had the lower high get made like not yesterday, Friday and Thursday, right? So let's get rid of all this shit really quick. Right. So this was a lower high right here. This was a lower low, and then we retraced Thursday and Friday. So we're still retracing right now, right? So we're still in a downtrend, but we're in the high getting made. So that's why we're kind of just chilling, waiting to see what price is doing. Kind of sitting with gold. Gold reverse is kind of consolidating right now. So that's why we're just kind of waiting. Because again, you only want to trade it from a clean, clear uptrend or clean, clear downtrend. So the reason why a lot of people get fucked up with the charts where you hear all these people talk about price action is bad is because they'll just take trades just to take trades, right? Like, that's why I only take subs at certain areas or certain conditions, because that's going to help us win way more than we lose. We're about to see what GU does right here. GU's kind of chilling right now. Same thing with GU. Like, a lot of the charts reversed last week or the last 2 weeks. So we're gonna see what this new month's got in store. Gonna see what this new month's got in store. If y'all got any questions, drop in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop in the chat. But you already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting. So we got a new 15 popping up. So we're gonna see if we can maintain. As long as we can maintain 3460 as support, we're still gonna be in the setup again. We was at a 1-to-1 RR. If you're not in the signal room, not happy, or don't know what's going on, like I always say, don't let a winner turn to a loser. But we're gonna hold this SLTB gets hit. NAS and gold are kind of just chilling. Make sure to watch the Sunday chart analysis and join the free room if you have not already. And I got a new video lined up for y'all later on today as well. We're gonna be on for a little bit longer. Let's see what this next 15 does. I want to see if we're gonna push back up or not. And if you got any questions, drop them in the chat and I got you. So you mentioned that NQ has to touch 27,240 and 29,290 if we are valid. So you're on NQ, so NQ is a little bit different. Let me pull an NQ for you. So NQ is different prices. Because again, I'm mainly on the Forex side. Mainly because on the Forex prop firms, you can trade both futures and Forex. So with NQ, you need to either look for price to retest 28,680, or if we can BCR and maintain 28,540 as resistance, you can look for sales going down to 28,410, possibly down to 28,270, 280, right? Now for NAS100 on the Forex side is a little bit different. That's you on the future side though, but for NAS100 Forex side is a little bit different. And I go more in depth and detail on that in the Sunday chart analysis, but long story short is because of the market structure. Because again, I only want to go for A+ setups. Every now and again, if there is no A+ setup, I might go for a B+. But I only want to go for A+ setups. So that's why I'm like picky with certain setups, or I won't take certain trades, or I'll wait. Is because I want to wait for us to see. I want to wait for price. Like I talked about during the TikTok lives, price is going to show you. If you wait long enough, price is going to show you what the fuck it got going on, right? So in certain situations, I'd rather wait and see what price is going to do next before I then jump into a setup. You know what I mean? Especially if we're not in a clear downtrend, clear uptrend. Like I said, a lot of these charts we have reversals or heavy ass retracements take place. So That's also why. Because we're still gonna look for sales on NAS100, but we also can't ignore that, you know, it's retracing. But that doesn't mean we want to buy the retracement, but also price is showing it's gonna continue to retrace. There's no point in forcing a setup. That's why Friday I didn't trade, and the New York session on Thursday I didn't trade for that exact reason. No problem, no problem. Hopefully that makes sense though. Alright, so we're still holding this level as support. Let's see if we can push back up. at y'all. Price ain't really doing shit right now. So we're still gonna hold this SOT week said, but I'm probably gonna hop in bed until New York session. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out everybody's been live since the beginning. Shout out everybody's been live since y'all joined. Y'all know what to do. Click those links in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram. And if you're not a playmaker yet, make sure you become a playmaker. We should be live later on TikTok. I'll let y'all know. And yeah, peace, we out. Peace, we out.